Hey y'all, what's up? This is a 7x7 lace closure wig. This is a custom wig from Wiggins Hair. And if you want to see the finished results, this is going to be a step-by-step procedure showing you guys a beginner-friendly way to tweak and finesse a wig. So make sure you subscribe, make sure you stay tuned, and follow my steps, step by step. First things first, after you've bleached the knots, rinsed it off, washed it and all that good stuff, you're going to take some styling foam wrap, mousse, whatever you may want to call it. Once you have it parted exactly how you want it, you're going to start to put that foam wrap over the hair like you see me doing. Once you do that, you're going to put it on heat, then blow dry until it's dry, of course. If you're new here, I encourage you to watch my videos from oldest to newest. And right now what I'm doing is just spraying some lace tint on the lace to my client's skin complexion. I love this product. If you're my day one subscriber, you know how I feel about this product. I love Bio Silk. Once it's dry, you're going to take this product, put it over the hair. And the purpose of this product is to give it that silky look that you need, especially when you're flat ironing, because you don't want to heat damage your hair. So this acts as a heat protectant, and it also gives you that silky, smooth press that you need. And these flat irons, you wouldn't probably believe it, but these flat irons only cost $44. I get it a lot. Where do I get this particular flat iron from? I got it from Ulta. You can only get this exact model from Ulta. They only sell it at Ulta, and it's literally only $44. I love it so much. The link will be in the description box. It's a Conair flat iron, and once I flat ironed it, I'm going to just press out the roots, and this hair presses out really nicely. Look how well that looks. This hair is really nice. I was afraid at first because, you know, sometimes when you straighten out body wave hair, it gives you a hassle, it gives you a rough time, but this one actually worked out really nice. And I'm just going to cut it into a blunt cut bob. I have a few videos showing how to do that, so go ahead and check those out. Now that this wig is actually on my client's head, I'm just seeing how it's going to fit on her and where exactly I need to place the elastic band. The elastic band goes from side to side of each closure, side by side. You're going to stretch the elastic band out. You're not just going to put it around the head. As you're putting it around the head, you need to stretch it out because that's going to give you a more realistic fit. Once you get the wig put on your client's head, you're just going to adjust it. Ask them if it's too tight, ask them if it fits nicely, ask them if anything is hurting them. If not, you can proceed to cutting the lace off and finishing up with the styling. It's really easy. I love glueless. I really love glueless because a lot of people are allergic to some glues, and just the simple fact that you don't have to be confined to your hairstyle. If I want to walk in the house and flip my wig off and feel free, it's just that simple. And if you want to change up your hairstyles every week, every other day, you know, however you're feeling, I don't know, however often you may want to change, it's just that simple. You don't have to worry about cleaning the lace, cleaning the glue off, but to each his own. Some people feel like it's easier and more convenient to wear it with glue, and that's completely fine. I'm just here to show you guys different techniques and allow you guys to choose which one works best for you. And she showed me a picture of one of my old posts, and she wanted that light baby hair in the front, so I'm just adding that. And all you would need to use for that is mousse. And like I say in my other videos, baby hair are something that you have to work with. It may not be perfect on the first try, so you just keep on trying until you get it exactly how you like it and exactly how your client likes it. And if everyone's happy, then cool. This was really easy to do. I love glueless wigs. I love wigs in general, and this hair from Wiggins Hair is awesome. I don't have any complaints. As I was using this wig, it wasn't overly shedding. It comes pre-plucked. I didn't have to do any additional plucking. All I did was bleach the knots and styled everything on camera like you see me doing. And right now I'm just adding in the finishing touches, and me putting the blow dryer close to the wig is just adding that extra heat down in the roots so it can get as flat as possible. And I added a little bio silk, just a tad bit, because a little goes a long way when you're using this product, just to give it that extra shine. And what I really love about this hair as well is it's not that silky Barbie doll type of hair. It's a very natural texture, so it blends with my client, and it will blend with anybody in general, but it doesn't give you that Barbie silky straight or Barbie body wave. Like, this is the perfect type of texture of hair, and I honestly have only good things to say about this. Once again, this is a 7x7 closure. Soon I'll be doing a updated video of different styles you can possibly do on a 7x7 closure. She can part this any way she wants. She can flip it, she can do ponytail, she can braid it. Like I said, I want to do a video showing that, but just look at the body in this hair. It flows, it looks natural, and I really enjoyed doing this. It was really easy to do this. It was really quick to do this, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you next time.